When it comes to full-frame cameras with high resolution and advanced features, Nikon and Sony have both set the bar high with the rumored Nikon Z7III and Sony A1 II. Each camera is expected to bring its own set of strengths to the table, tailored to cater to different user priorities. Let's dig into the latest speculations surrounding these models, examining their anticipated features, strengths, and the areas where they might differ. Nikon's Z7III, based on the recent updates seen in the Z6 III, is expected to retain its 45.7 MP resolution, a hallmark of the Z7 line. However, Nikon is likely taking a more efficient route with a partially stacked sensor, which balances shooting speed with cost-effectiveness. This sensor update aims to make the Z7 III faster than its predecessors, though not as rapid as the fully stacked sensors in Nikon's flagship Z8 and Z9 models. Video-wise, Nikon is rumored to add 6K recording instead of the full 8K seen on its high-end models, making the Z7 III a promising choice for those focused on high-resolution still photography with decent video capabilities on the side. On the Sony front, the A1 II is anticipated as a refined version of the original A1, bringing incremental updates rather than major overhauls. It will likely maintain the same 50 MP sensor, which is still impressive for both resolution and speed. Sony is reportedly adding a new AI chip, boosting autofocus accuracy and speed, particularly useful for fast-moving subjects. This improvement will appeal to wildlife and sports photographers for whom Sony has become a go-to brand. Additionally, the A1 II will support the latest CF Express Type A 4.0 standard, effectively doubling data transfer speeds, which is invaluable for high-burst shooting and 8K video recording. While these enhancements may sound subtle, they collectively make the A1 II a more agile and reliable performer, especially for high-speed, high-volume shooters. When comparing video capabilities, the A1 II appears more geared toward advanced videographers, while the Z7 III focuses on a balanced approach for stills and moderate video use. Nikon's rumored 6K video support in the Z7 III might seem modest next to Sony's 8K capabilities, but for many photographers, 6K is more than sufficient and often easier on storage and processing. The Z7 III's predicted improvements in image stabilization, upgrading from 5 stops to potentially 8 stops of compensation, further make it ideal for handheld photography and low-light shooting, offering users more flexibility without relying on tripods or gimbals. Sony's A1 II, while fast and accurate in autofocus, is still expected to be the pricier choice, partly due to these advanced video features and the addition of AI processing, which may not be crucial for every photographer. In the stabilization department, Nikon's rumored enhancements on the Z7 III seem to be aimed at closing the gap between Sony's offerings. The A1 II is likely to maintain its existing stabilization performance, which is already highly rated, while Nikon's focus on adding the Focus Point VR system could give it an advantage in targeted stabilization, particularly in single-point focus modes. As for build quality, Sony's decision to use the A9 III's body design suggests a rugged, tried-and-true build that users are familiar with, optimized for durability and comfort during prolonged use. Nikon's Z7 III is expected to maintain its premium build, with weather sealing and a robust design that matches the durability requirements of high-end mirrorless cameras. The choice of design in both cameras reflects their intended audiences, professionals, and enthusiasts who need dependable equipment in various shooting environments. Pricing is where these two cameras might diverge notably. Nikon is refining its formula of high-res photography with enhanced stabilization, while Sony seems to be doubling down on speed and intelligent features. A1 II is rumored to come with a price increase over the current A1, reflecting its upgraded specs and market positioning as a high-performance, versatile camera. Nikon's Z7 III, while still premium, is likely to sit slightly below the A1 II's price, making it a more accessible option for photographers focused on still quality rather than bleeding-edge speed or AI advancements. As for release dates, the A1 II is expected to hit the market in any time now, while the Z7 III's timeline remains a bit more uncertain, with an announcement likely within 2025. Both models will target high-end users, but their focus areas, resolution and refined shooting for the Z7 III, versus speed and AI for the A1 II cater to slightly different segments of the professional market. So what do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and thanks for watching.